Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys Bluetooth setting. In this video guys, I will show guys how to pair Bluetooth speaker to our Realme phone. Guys, you want to pair guys this Bluetooth speaker to your phone, so guys you can pair it. And guys, now let's see how to pair it Bluetooth speaker to our Realme phone. In this video guys, I will show you. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you new in my channel, so guys first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So guys, now let's start video. So then first of all open your phone setting and guys click on your Bluetooth setting and guys on your Bluetooth speaker. So guys, you first button guys press and guys, it will on, and guys second guys you can see your Bluetooth. So guys press on Bluetooth and guys on your Bluetooth with refresh, and guys you can see your Bluetooth speaker name. So guys click on your Bluetooth speaker name. So guys click on Bluetooth speaker name, then guys it will pair in your phone automatic. Then guys you can use your Bluetooth speaker in your Realme phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to pair Bluetooth speaker to our Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.